Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to on and off auto record calls on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the phone app. Click on the three dot at top right. Click on settings. Now click on record calls. Click on auto record calls. Turn on auto record calls. Then set this to all. You can turn on auto record calls with unsaved numbers. You can turn on auto record calls with specific numbers. Then come here and then add the number you want to record the call automatically. You can also record all calls except a particular number. Click on number not to record and then that is it. Now to turn off auto record calls, toggle this off and then you are good. So that's exactly how to on or off auto record calls on Samsung. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.